We started that Discover program for two reasons. We wanted to invite international startups, especially in the manufacturing field, to come to our city and to experience that this is not only a beautiful city, but a hotspot for innovation and technology. And EIT Manufacturing is the perfect partner for us, who found the best startups that are out there in the field of manufacturing in CEE.
I think that startups from around the world can really benefit from the Austrian ecosystem because the ecosystem is so compact. We have a lot of organizations that support startups and innovative projects that are really connected to each other.
The investor community is always interested in connecting with everyone in the value chains, may it be industry, may it be startups, innovators, and also to support them with our finances, but also with our expertise.
I think collaboration between startup and corporates is super important, and programs like BoostUp and Discover Vienna are doing a great job in helping them connect.
It's great that we can be inspired by new ideas and innovation, which we can't do ourselves, because there are a lot of talented entrepreneurs which are working in these startups and offer solutions.
BoostUp Vienna is already part of EIT Manufacturing since the very beginning, so we gained a lot of experience working with startups and cooperating with startups. The piece for advice is use the opportunities that EIT Manufacturing is providing. Take part in the challenges BoostUp, Discover Vienna, Vienna Up, and because that's your first contact to corporates.
I think BoostUp pitching competition is really an aggregator, and it really helps to showcase what quality of startups we are having in the CEE region.
So we are super excited that we won the BoostUp competition in the Switch On category. What I would recommend to other startups, if you see the potential in your product, if you believe in your product, show it in your pitch. And if you believe it has an impact, show that you know about it and that you are excited for that.
The main reason behind joining these competitions is always learning from our peers, competitors, meeting them. Every competition like this challenges us to be better.
So the value of such event, that's quite clear. First of all, it helps us to validate what we are doing. We can compare us to other startups and learn from them. Second, it brings the attention for us. That's perfect. And third of all, it's a great motivation for us. So any event like this motivates us to work further and work harder.